Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was going to help somebody try to design a squiggle and then around the corner, like a corner squiggle. There's very few on the internet that are traceable, and I've got 4 pages of squiggles on my Facebook page, which is Corel Draw File Share. And this is getting a little irritating. Anyway, you could I took maybe the 2 easiest ones, because there are 4 pages of squiggles that you could pick from. And almost any of these, this one for sure, this one I just picked. So we're gonna make this corner squiggle out of this one, or I am, and just kind of show you how to do it. And I've got a corner just to kind of give you some reference. So we're gonna put this in the center of the page. Whoop. We need to group it together, Control G, and put it in the center of the page. And that's pretty important. Then we're going to take a 2-point line, start moving and hold down the control button so it's perpendicular, and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now we're going to delete an entire side. And the reason I did that, because I wanted it separate from the other side. So now I can Control D and make a duplicate and do a mirror trick on that side. Because if it was grouped together, I couldn't do what I'm fixing to do. Now I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to put my rotation to that node in the center, and I'm just going to mirror it down, and the line kind of helps me get it to a corner. Now you're going, well, there's some parts in the middle that are missing. Well, then I just took straight lines or the 3-point line and made lines between them. And you could do almost anything between here and, make it look like that. No, I draw in hairline, so it's going to be a little bit different. And it's a squiggle, so it doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to see what this line is, and it's 2.3. So we're going to tell you what you can do. You can always just grab all your lines and double click on your outline, and there's no fill, and then we're going to make them 2 points. Well, it didn't do it. It did it just a while ago. Well, it is 2 points, but it's red. Let's try to make it black, see if it makes any different. There's the problem. So let's do this. Let's grab them all, right click, turn them black, and then let's make them all 4 points. Somehow it's not getting that line there. It is the 4-point, but it's not black. And you would always want to, when you do this, you would want to do it as scale with object, so that in case you make it bigger or littler. There's not a bad looking corner squiggle. And if you want to look at it on a box, just take a rectangle tool and draw you a rectangle on it, and then put that corner in the corner of the box, which you wouldn't really want it to, but you can kind of see that it is relatively symmetrical in shape. And then, you could do of course you wouldn't have it on the outside of the box, and then just group that together, Control G, and move it wherever you want it. And let's just see what it looks like making a complete box. Control D and make a duplicate, grab that handle and go like right there. Control D and make a duplicate, grab that handle and move it there. That's not a bad corner squiggle. It would be symmetrical, even, kind of looks unique. I like it. Anyway, and then you could change you can change all the outline because they're all 4 points. Let's make it 8 points and scale with object in case you want to make it bigger. And then you could always, let's say, well, I don't have a square. Well, you can make it a rectangle without too much squishing, kind of give it a different look. Anyway, just an idea. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.